So them just are coming from party.
Meet the Mitchell family. What happened?
Can't believe it.
What's wrong?
Coming down.
Oh
Look.
my. It's a calendar.
Can't believe it. Coming down.
What that mean?
Count down.
Two?
Colorado.
Soon time, guys. It's soon time. Momo literally just walked over and I was like, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I was like, what happened? And then I saw the calendar in her hand.
First, thank you, guys.
1st of October. We made it. We made it. Anyway, this is exciting. It's right in our grasp, which we're so excited about. So, thank God.
Can't believe it.
And as you can see, tomorrow is Grandma's birthday. So, we'll have to figure out something special for her. Mosey, how are you feeling? Any
I'm
updates?
feeling well.
You're looking well.
Coming on.
Coming on.
Coming on. Feeling well. No pain.
Yeah, no swelling really.
No,
A little
it's
swelling.
going,
It's
yeah,
coming
it's
down.
coming, it's coming.
Yeah, the eyes looking good. Yeah.
Coming down.
You look
Thank
fresh
God.
and young.
Thank God.
That's nice. Good, good. Jackson Bear, how was your robotics competition yesterday?
It was good. We won like the first round and then we lost the second.
That's how it goes. Yeah.
And that's how it went the last time as well.
Yeah. Well, we need improvement on the second round then maybe. You have on my shoes. Do they fit you? No, sir.
Pretty much, yeah.
Jeez, I'm fret.
I mean, I can walk around with
Yeah,
these.
brother.
Do these fit you? They look kind
I was gonna get these for you no more, but guess what? I figured it would hurt you cross your foot. That's why I got the other one.
When I go to Colorado, I will shop.
Till it drop.
Hey guys, doing the things.
Good morning to you. And how do you do? Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Baby Ivy.
High five for sleeping.
Yeah, high five.
High five for sleeping.
High five for Atlas. Where is Atlas? Where's Atlas? Good job.
Where's mommy?
Yay!
High five for sleeping.
Yay!
Hi, good morning MTM Wagwan. Everything good? It's Sunday morning in the Mitchell house and I just wake up. Apparently Gio them go party last night, but the party was from 10 p.m. to 10 a.m. So them just are coming from party. That was the concept of the party. I Love Soca and Skinny Fabulous performer Destra, who I saw some clips with and thing. So yeah, excitement. Wagwan. So the reach back.
Next month.
In one piece.
Big fete, you know go.
No small fit.
I'm not going no small fete.
Extend my apologies. Only big fit.
With
Big flag.
But overhead like.
Canopy.
And they even brought me back a coffee. That's good boys.
Okay.
Anyway, you guys must be tired.
Yeah, you know
These
that.
two want
Yeah, that
sleep,
crashed
But they had a good time and they were responsible
For sure.
and came back in one piece each.
Yeah, because that is the only deal, you know, that them have some requirements that them need to meet, and then we take it from there. So them have to show us that them responsible.
Easy.
Oh, Steve. Kiss?
Yeah.
Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? At night when I'm putting her to bed, I have to do this in her neck.
Sniff up her neck.
And she just lets me. I could do it for 1,000 years, she'd let me do it.
Ivy, today is a great day to walk, you know.
No. Tell daddy I'll do it when I'm good and ready. today is a good day to just be Ives.
So over the last couple of weeks, a lot of people were tagging me on social media, on Instagram and TikTok and stuff, and was showing me this artist who was doing a portrait of me and my little daughter, and it was so nice. And I was like, yo, Jano, you know, so I need to link up with this guy. So I reached out to him. We linked up on Friday, and guys, here is the piece. I got it. Nicey. With me and my little Ivy girl.
Conroy Green, that's his
Conroy Green. I
name.
think he did such a good job. I have a little video of when we linked up too. Alright, so we link up with the artist, the painter, Conroy Green.
Yeah, man,
you guys probably see me on Instagram doing a portrait of myself and Ivy. I'm gonna have it right here, so yeah. Nice, my brother.
Yeah, man, I appreciate
Give thanks,
it.
man. Give thanks. I know the exact spot for it, you see me?
And there's a next one.
And me and Tami. Respect, you know, my brother.
Yeah, man, most definitely.
Yeah, man, give
Thank
thanks,
you so
man.
very much for coming through.
Yeah. Cause we have to support the local artists. Respect my family. Respect. You know what I mean? We have to support the artists, them and thing, and it's a good look, you know? My respect, man. Tell them where them can find you.
You don't know Instagram at Conroy_Green. You don't know TikTok Conroy Green same way.
Yeah.
Appreciate the love. You see me?
That's cool, no, man. Yeah. So
We
you
should
know
get
it
this
go.
framed before sure.
No, I'm going to send to frame it at Island Art for sure. I forgot find a space for it. He did a good job, man. He did a really good job.
Captured you both well.
Yeah, so you know it go. We have to support our young, talented artists in this day and age for sure. So big up yourself, my virgin. I'll put his Instagram stuff, so if you want to reach out to him, you can reach out to him as well.
Myself in the camera.
Eh?
No,
We want to see you. We want to see you, bro.
Let's say watching TV in the room of Credos. So he just got time out. So he was shaking from my hand. Then his mom told him to go in the room. Then
He's vlogging now.
then he must be.
He might level it up.
Like and subscribe and down below for
Yes.
more of our videos.
Okay.
Serving Mitchell family.
Yeah. So
Their loves.
he was saying that Jackson was in a little timeout. So yeah, I saw it go. But that's what he was making mention of. You're gonna go check up on your brother. Okay, cool.
With confidence, right, Atlas?
Yeah.
Jackson is making Atlas breakfast this morning. Take your time. Jiggle it on.
And flip. Oh.
Nice job.
That was a good one. Oh. boo-boo.
So technically these sausages are already cooked. It's just a matter of heating them all the way through.
Oh. Mommy, see that flipping by themselves now.
You want to be careful. You don't want a shirt. If that spit on you,
You're going to get burned.
burn you.
It's gonna be hot.
Okay, so we'll get ourselves ready and we're heading out on the road right now. We have a few things to do, so come along with us as we journey onto the roads of Kingston City. Okay?
So you're telling me that you think that we're in the parking
Never click
straight. You think that we're in the parking straight.
I'm straight relative to the cars around me, and I'm straight relative to the wall behind me. Yes, I am straight.
You think you park the car straight. This is a problem, people. This is a problem me and Wayne have every day. Him park the car lean, and then he might tell me that the car park straight. And then when I come out and the car is lean, him say, "You love watch car too much." So no, I just want to just make sure that he thinks the car is in the parking line straight, and we'll just see.
All right, let me ask you something. You think that every car you park beside is straight?
Doesn't matter. I follow the lines.
So you want to go back forward and see the lines again? You want to look at the lines
No,
again?
I just want to come out of the car. Because I'm telling you we're not straight and you're telling me we are definitely straight. So let's just
I'm
see.
in between these two cars, right?
No,
which is the parking that was there for me, right?
Yes, but there is a very clear. There are two clear yellow lines you need to follow.
No. Let me ask you something. If the yellow lines, parking straight in between the yellow lines, carry me 1 inch away from that car, do I still park within the yellow lines?
This is besides the point. We are talking about whether the car is straight or not. Let's just look. I'm done talking. Why?
Alright, so we just picked up a few stuffs. Tomorrow is my mother's birthday.
As in today?
Today. So whenever you see this video, it's either you see it on her birthday or it's belated. Her birthday belated, so.
What Mommy Mitch loves more than the gift, though, I have to say, are the cards. So I have to spend a lot more time, or we have to spend a lot more time looking for the right card.
My mom is old school.
Yeah, she is. And my mom too. My mom loves to, and she keeps all the cards.
Them Gen Z are now buy card.
Tessie keeps every card.
Keeps them.
Yes.
Okay.
I tell her, say our bed will lift off of the ground soon.
I mean,
If them keep under the bed, you know. I'm sorry to say that I'm the worst with cards. I did try to keep like all of my 40th birthday cards and all of Ivy's first birthday cards, and I did that for the boys, but I don't know where they are now. So there.
She discards cards. She discards and she discard cards. That is you.
It's not
And people may
for
have a piece of creek neck there. Lord God. You see, alright. I woke up, had this terrible creek neck, and I said to Tami, as he came in our bed, just by chance, because I never get a creek neck unless that little critters come into the bed, because I don't know, them just magnetized
the mere
to me.
fact that he doesn't even know when one of the children come in the bed is just a testament to how well he actually sleeps.
No, I have to build up a defense and resistance.
Guys, I have to literally do this. The other night when Ozzy was having a cough, I had to be like, Wayne, turn over. Ozzy's coughing straight in your face. He just coughed in your face 14,000 times and you don't know.
The point is, me have a crick neck and you need to do something about it.
Me?
I mean,
how me for uncrick your neck?
I mean, you need to massage me and rub out my neck.
That can't help crick neck. The
Of
only
course.
thing will help crick neck is sleep again. On the neck.
Sleep on the neck, so?
Yeah, just go back on your bed. Trust me.
What him do, me man? He come in like some Jackie Chan kick the man and give me in my sleep in a bed.
And they really do gravitate towards Wayne at night.
No, you see, she claims that they gravitate towards me, but she has trained them to leave her alone and attack my body. More time them hook up and make them neck round them foot round my neck.
But when they come in the bed, I always set up my pillow and say, come share the pillow with me. But somehow they just magnetize towards him.
Them say daddies get easy street, but we know we have burdens to bear.
No, but he sleeps
we have
through
our
it.
burdens
He
to bear.
sleeps through it. So I know when he came in, I know when him leave. I could hear I remember when Gio was a little boy, I could hear Gio coming to the room. And I was like, okay, spidey senses.
People, do you prefer to sleep light or sleep heavy?
I will sleep light.
Sleep light is kind of a torture though, because
never done
every
it.
little thing you wake up.
But you've never done it.
But I wouldn't want to done it. Why would I want to wake up to every little sound, every little something?
That's why he could never watch the babies when they were little, because he sleeps through the crying.
And me couldn't be security, you know. Because my father sleep, you know, when they come out, all of them there at the gate and a beep, you know. No, sir. No, this is make your Tami have to do something about it.
There's nothing I can do.
We know use left hand.
Why does it have to do anything?
You never know if a left hand person quick back your neck.
I ain't just stop it.
At the first I hear that. At the first one I hear that. I hate it. I know when I was doing pitchy patchy, I was like, what if I get a crick neck over these next 3 weeks?
You would work right through it.
And I did not get a crick neck, and I don't know.
But you know it's crazy? The first night before the opening, you remember you got sick? Isn't that crazy?
Yes, true. Father God is so good.
It all worked out in the end.
Jana give a man more than he can bear.
You challenges sometimes, though, God no.
Challenges will be there.
Challenges will be there, but it's not more than you can bear. Actually, I heard somebody say this and I thought this was so beautiful. Yes, sometimes we do get more than we can bear, but God will be right there with you. So, there. And sometimes we get loads that are heavier than we can bear, so we can lean on God. That is the idea behind it, you know?
Put it this way. All of the problems that you faced in your life to this point, you've handled them, 100% of them, you know?
Indeed.
So that should give you confidence to handle anything else that life throws at you. And when life throws lemons,
Make lemonade.
that is it. On that note, I'm out. What do you say?
Ozzy,
Has he favor Ivy?
you not feel so?
It's true.
Me and Mom were just drinking a coffee because it's International Coffee Day. Or is tomorrow is International
You
Coffee
know
Day?
when they have the coffee at night for
You talk it confident first time and then
the
the place is very overcast. It's not night to come down yet.
Yeah, I remember.
So when it was done, when my coffee was done, I started to drink it with you, sitting on the couch and drinking it.
So the words like that.
You used to drink the coffee with me.
Squares.
Tami, my back.
I will massage you, but you have to go on the ground.
You have to go step on it.
Yeah, but you have to go on the ground.